guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you should do if your storage is full in Heartopia. So usually I like to go home first to put down like everything that I don't need. So for instance, I will put in storage like furniture, and I don't put like ingredients because when I'm cooking it's like very difficult to get, like I have to take it out again. But basically I will go home, and yes, I have a house now. Clap for me please. I'm not done with the interior at all, but that's fine. um so basically, like puzzles too, I would just store everything in my house so I don't have all of this in my inventory. And when you're in build mode, it's easy because it's going to just be in the like build mode's inventory, so you don't have to open your warehouse. Okay, so I'll have a lot of space in my warehouse. That's good. Why do I have a lot of this in my storage? I usually put this in storage, and then like for instance, I collect insects and like fishes that I don't need. I usually sell them to Albert. And then yeah, that's pretty much what I do really with my storage. If you still think that's not enough, you can purchase extra backpack storage from Kaching. They do cost wishing stars, but even like I have 210 storage and that's still not enough for me. I might buy more actually right now because it's just not enough, you know. So let's go to Kaching. Oh, she's actually not that far. Why am I taking the bus? She's actually right here, and yeah, I'm just gonna purchase storage from her. So that's pretty much it. Make sure you don't have your storage full when you go fishing, especially when you go out to see the fish, because that's like the worst like place to not have storage. So again, I'm just going to purchase some backpack expansion. I don't need to purchase like the warehouse expansion yet. Hopefully I won't need to. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.